Ready for something light, delicious, and super easy? Today, I'm showing you my savory spinach roll. Soft, creamy, and perfect for brunch, a light dinner, or any party. First, I whisk the egg yolks, then add the seasoning and flour. Next, I saute the spinach until soft, add a bit of cream, and blend until smooth. Then I combine everything with the whipped egg whites and mix until the texture is just perfect. Spread the mixture on a baking tray with parchment paper and bake for only 10 minutes. Light, fluffy, and full of flavor. This savory spinach roll is perfect for brunch, lunch, or a healthy snack. And now, here's the second recipe for today. Something light, fresh, and full of summer flavor. These zucchini patties are golden on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside. A true seasonal favorite. I serve them with a creamy yogurt sauce with garlic, walnuts, and fresh herbs. Simple, wholesome, and absolutely delicious. Let's make these light and delicious zucchini patties together. Step 1. Prepare the zucchini. Wash them well. No need to peel. Grate on medium holes. Sprinkle with salt and let them rest in a sieve for about 30 minutes. Then press gently to remove any extra water. Step 2. Mix the batter. In a bowl, combine yogurt with a pinch of baking soda until it starts to foam. Add 1 egg and the grated zucchini. Now stir in flour, salt, grated cheese, and a bit of finely chopped parsley. Mix until you get a soft, slightly thick mixture. Step 3. Shape and bake. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and brush it lightly with oil. Scoop small portions of the mixture and place them on the tray. Leave a little space between each. Bake for about 30 minutes and flip once near the end. And that's it. Soft inside, golden outside, and full of summer flavor. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy, healthy, and delicious meals. Hit the bell so you never miss a new recipe.